We're here.
Sir Joel, can I ask your signature here? And please kindly provide IDs or passport for our reference. You're a vlogger, sir?
Only just starting, but gonna try to be. See what happens. Give us a glass of water upon arrival. Sounds hot, nice and thirsty. It's pretty good of them. We are here. We have a bed, cupboard, a rose. Say hello.
Hello.
We have a sink, a toilet, a mirror, shower. It's basic, but it's nice. Basic but nice. That's all you need.
This one,
Air conditioning.
this one is smaller.
Yeah. Okay, now this is our view. Can't complain with that view. There's a little bit blocked, but still pretty good. Gonna try out one of these spicy burgers and see if they're any good.
Excuse me, ma'am, sir.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you.
What was that one?
It's the tocino with eggs.
Well, is it pork?
Don't have.
I think it's pork. I have no idea.
This one is a pork. It's a tocino called with sunny side up and then atsara with rice.
Looking good. Yeah.
Pwede yun ang atsara.
So,
Yes, pa. Thank you po.
It's a chop suey.
yeah.
We put the skin of the pork inside.
Yeah, the crackling.
Yeah.
Interesting, yeah. Yeah, not too bad.
I love to cook
It
chop
smells
suey.
good.
Yeah, I like chop suey. Oh, they put the celery.
Yeah. Tell them out.
You want that?
Yeah, sorry.
It's sweet, a bit sweet.
Yeah. Oh, soft.
Yeah.
That's good. That is really, really good. What's the pork called?
Tocino.
Tocino.
Yeah.
That is very, very good. Very, very soft, sweet. Yeah, I could eat about 10 kilos of that.
Thank you.
Tell them out. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day. Okay. I have my Andok's burger. Spicy one. Let's see what it looks like. Looking pretty good so far. So it's pretty warm. Yeah, it's very, very hot, but it's looking good.
Spicy.
Yeah, it's good. Definitely buy one of these again. Andok's spicy burger. Can't remember what it was called. But yeah, very nice. But had one bite as well. You can tell it's pretty spicy. But yeah, this is Andok's in Boracay. Chicken burger, chop suey, whatever that was, with the tasty pork, rice, egg, 2 hot chocolates, and that was about $10 Australian. And this is like the tourist island that's more expensive. So yeah, food's pretty cheap. Yeah, I had a Big Mac the other day and it was very good. Andok chicken burger is 10 times better. We just finished our meal. That was very good. The burger was about a third the price of a zinger in Australia and just as good. We're going to check out the island. Go have a look. We are here in Boracay. We are at the little island. Can't remember the name of it, but it is very famous. And we're walking across. Look at this view. Pretty obvious why the Philippines is famous for its beaches. This place is beautiful. Gonna be on YouTube. Say hello.
Hello.
It's very nice here. I'll turn this off, take some photos. Okay, we're leaving the island. That's pretty cool. It's only tiny. Still good. Yeah, I've seen online the seaweed and the algae's been here for a couple months. Every now and then it's got a bit of a smell. It's not too bad at all. Still very nice. It's looking very good. Very relaxing. It's a very nice beach. Having a good day. Yeah, there's not many beaches in the world like this. Actually, I'm sure there's heaps of beaches in the world like this, but this one is very nice. Tomorrow we have our island hopping trip booked. Looking forward to that. Get to do some snorkeling, have a feed, just generally cruise around, check out some different islands. And then when I get back, I'm doing the helmet diving. Rose can't swim, so she won't be doing the helmet diving. That'll be pretty terrifying. But yeah, see how I go. I might be terrified, who knows? We'll find out. Also, I can take this underwater, so I can film underwater. It's gonna be cool. Stay tuned, we will see you soon.